Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook A2337. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MacBook A2337 dies within just 10 minutes of being off the charger, you are likely facing a battery issue. This symptom often arises from battery degradation over time, which can lead to more serious problems if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this could result in your laptop becoming completely unusable. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of replacing the battery in your MacBook A2337. For this repair, you will need a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new compatible battery. To begin, ensure your MacBook is powered down completely. Start by flipping the device over and removing the 10 screws that secure the back cover. Use your P5 pentalobe screwdriver for this. Remember to keep track of the screws as they are different lengths. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover with your plastic spudger. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover removed, locate the battery. It's the large rectangular component in the center. You'll notice it's held in place by several screws. Using your T5 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Next, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious while doing this, as there are connectors attached. Now, disconnect the battery cable by carefully lifting it from its socket using the plastic spudger. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is out, take your new compatible battery and place it into the slot. Reconnect the battery cable, ensuring it's secure. Then, replace the screws that secure the battery in place. After that, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the 10 screws you initially removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid damage. Power on your MacBook and check if the battery is functioning correctly. You should now have a fully operational device. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly calibrating your battery and avoid letting it drain completely too often. Keeping your software updated can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.